In this 2-minute tips video, I'm going to go through some of the power tools and shortcut keys for using crop within Lightroom. Hello, welcome to In Studio. I'm Ian M. Butterfield. Do you use the crop tool in Lightroom? I'm sure you do. But do you know some of the power features in there and some of the shortcut keys? For example, the R key is the key to bring up the crop tool. But did you know you don't have to be in Develop module to use it? You might be in grid view, as I am now. I can just simply hit the R key and it will not only move over to the Develop module, but it will go straight into the crop mode. There are different tool overlays for the crop tool, and you can see those listed down here. Auto means that the guides come on only when you are cropping. So as I start to move this, you can see the guides have appeared. Then obviously always and never are self-explanatory. To hide the guides all the time, the H key will toggle through between always and never. So I'm going to leave it on always for this. I often come in here and find I've locked the aspect ratio, didn't mean to. The shortcut key to clear it is the A key, and that will unlock the little padlock up here, and I can now crop in any way, shape or form that I wish. A toggles it back on again. Now, to reset a crop, that is Control, Alt and R. To toggle through the different types of overlay that we've got, that is the O key. The moment, as you can see, I've got the rule of thirds on display, and O will take me through the diagonals, which shows you guidelines from each of the four corners. Another form of diagonal overlay. Then we've got the golden ratio, where it's like the rule of thirds, but particular ratio between the center, and the golden spiral, which is based on a Fibonacci sequence. Then we've got quite a useful one, which is the aspect ratios. So R again to come out of the crop and to finalize it. That brings me to the end of this 2-minute tip on the power controls for cropping in Lightroom. Thanks for watching.